Welcome to the ultimate guide for car buyers and car owners. Whether you're shopping for your first car, trying to learn more about your current vehicle, or just looking for the best car tips to keep your car running smoothly, you've come to the right place. In today's video, we're going to cover everything you need to know about cars, from the basics of how cars work to important things you should know when buying, maintaining, and upgrading your vehicle. So let's get started. Let's start with the basics. When you turn your key and fire up the engine, the power begins with a battery. The battery powers the starter motor, which then turns the engine over. From there, the fuel system and ignition system work together to ignite the fuel and air mixture inside the engine cylinders, producing power to move your car. Modern cars use a combustion engine which has four main components. The engine block cylinder heads pistons and the crankshaft. When fuel ignites, it creates pressure that pushes the pistons down, turning the crankshaft, which powers the car's wheels. Now, cars can have either a gasoline engine or a diesel engine. Gasoline engines are common in most cars because they're cheaper, while diesel engines are often more fuel efficient and found in trucks and larger vehicles. In addition to the engine, the transmission is crucial. The transmission sends power from the engine to the wheels and helps manage the vehicle's speed. There are two types: manual and automatic transmissions. Manual transmissions require the driver to change gears, while automatics shift gears for you. While the engine and transmission are the heart of your car, there are other important parts you need to understand. Let's go over the basics of the brake system, suspension, and exhaust system. Your brakes are what stop the car, and they come in two main types: disc brakes and drum brakes. Disc brakes are more common in modern vehicles because they provide better stopping power and are easier to maintain. Next is the suspension system. This includes your car's shock absorbers, springs, and struts. The suspension system ensures that your car rides smoothly and can handle bumps in the road. It's also important for maintaining stability and traction. Finally, the exhaust system directs gases from the engine out of the car. A good exhaust system can help reduce emissions, improve fuel efficiency, and make your car run quieter. Keep an eye on your muffler and catalytic converter, as these are prone to wear. Now, let's talk about one of the most exciting aspects of car ownership: buying a car. Whether you're buying new or used, there are some essential things to know. New cars offer the latest features, better warranties, and the peace of mind that no one has owned the car before. But they come at a higher price, and they depreciate faster. On the other hand, used cars can be a great way to save money, but you'll want to do thorough research. Check the vehicle history using services like Carfax or AutoCheck, and always test drive the car to make sure everything works well. When buying, it's important to understand the total cost of ownership. This includes the car's price, maintenance costs, fuel efficiency, insurance rates, and repair expenses. Sometimes a cheap car can end up costing more in the long run due to high maintenance or poor fuel economy. Now let's talk about keeping your car in great shape with regular maintenance. Regular maintenance is key to extending the life of your car and avoiding costly repairs. First off, you'll need to change your oil regularly, generally every 5,000 to 10,000 miles, depending on your car's make and model. Neglecting oil changes can lead to engine damage and a decrease in performance. Next, check your tires regularly. Proper tire inflation is essential for fuel efficiency and handling. Tires should also be rotated every 6,000 to 8,000 miles to ensure even wear. Don't forget about your brakes, air filter, and fluids. Your car relies on clean air, fluid levels, and working brakes to stay in good condition. Lastly, let's talk about upgrading your car. Whether you're looking to improve performance or simply want your car to look cooler, modifications can be a fun way to customize your vehicle. Popular performance upgrades include new tires, performance exhaust systems, and cold air intakes. These can help improve power and efficiency. If you're more into aesthetics, custom wheels, body kits, and new paint jobs are great options for making your car stand out. Make sure to follow the laws regarding modifications in your area. Some upgrades can affect your car's warranty, insurance, or even its ability to pass safety inspections. Now that you know everything you need to know about cars, you're ready to make smarter decisions when buying, maintaining, and upgrading your vehicle. Remember, knowledge is power, Whether you're a first-time car buyer or a seasoned car owner, regular maintenance, smart buying decisions, and keeping up with the latest car technologies will keep your car running smoothly for years to come. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car tips and buying guides. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.